Good morning. It is early out. Sun hasn't come up yet. We're going to be headed to Sand Lake. You know, who's afraid of a little rain, right? Colton just picked up a new to him side by side. And this is literally probably our only weekend off in a couple months that we can try it out. So we're going to brave the rain. Hopefully it holds out. Reminds me a lot of the weekend I got my side by side and we tried the same thing. And we did not get so lucky. So it rained the entire time. So hopefully we'll be more fortunate today. Maybe we'll get a couple weather breaks. But we are, as you can see, loaded up, ready to roll. Got both Yamahas in there. Now we're going to hit the road. Got my coffee? Now we're ready.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We made it to our meetup spot here to get fuel and a little bite for breakfast. It's a lot of firsts for Colton. It's first time taking out his YXZ, first time in his new toy hauler, and first time towing with a relatively new to him truck. So he said it was swaying quite a bit on the freeway, so we're going to adjust the hitch here before we go any further.
He's running the kennel, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you want to go tell them that we can potentially go back to Derrick Road, or you want to just try here? That makes sense. That's a bet.
Oof. Let's see what they say. Because right here, we're going to be soaked.
Yeah, I say let's try potentially Derrick Road and go see if that's a little bit better. Oh, next time.
The group consensus is we're going to go try Derrick's Road back on the north side of the dunes. Back there we'll have some shelter in the trees from this elements here. If we stay out here on the south side, there's just no protection from the wind and rain. We're going to get hammered by it. So we'll see what the north end's like. Well, we made it. We're at Derrick's Road Campground at Sand Lake. It's a little wet, but it's not pouring, so we might be able to get a couple rides in. Right now, everybody's just kind of settling in and getting ready to unload.
Yeah, I thought you meant like a bottle jack. No, it's just the factory jack.
think your first one was the highest. Alright, do it again. I use it 3 and downshift to 2 going up the hill. Oh, I have it 2 right now. You can have it whatever you want. Yeah, hit it. I want to get a good jump of you. Okay, I'm going to get a good jump. Try to hit right here in this new stuff. Right here in the new stuff where nobody's hit it. Jump right here.
Everything good? Just let it cool down? Yeah. Okay.
we going back?
Huh?
Are we going back?
I guess.
The trail keeps going.
Don't we tell kids when they're little to not throw sand? Literally just got pelted with sand.
You want me to take that cover?
I'll try driving. Drive!
Alright, undo that so you can drive out.
Let's undo it.
Yeah, undo it. Well, yeah, I want to go right where he's at.
Let's move.
You see how bad he drives?
Do another Haley moment.
See how bad he drives.
Recreate
Talk
it.
about that was fun.
Tyson.
Yeah, start the belt. Watch her just
Why are people just walking? One last time.
You a little wet, Jordan?
Yeah.
Yeah?
a little bit.
Hey, Lena, how do you feel?
Don't. Stop talking to me. I'm soaking wet and I'm sitting all over my head.
That's definitely going to get on there.
Yeah.
Colton,
What?
how was the first time out? Yeah, did you like it?
We had a quick scare with the battery, but that was about it. Mom and Dad had to sit on the back end so I could get out of the trailer.
You guys didn't get wet, did you?
Nope, not at all. Not super dry. 100% dry.
I mean, look, it's nice out right now.
Dry, not sandy at all. Yeah.
Well, it was a very, very wet day. The weather never let up. It was just pouring out there, blowing winds. I mean, we are drenched. But besides that, this was one of the more fun trips we've had riding in Sand Lake in a long time. Probably because it was just so intense with the constant rain and wind. So we're all going to get changed up, get dry, and then we're going to head into town, have a little warm food before we head home.